Yo guys, welcome to our channel. This is my very first software tutorial video, and today I'm going to teach you the most important things as well as basic commands and controls when using Sketchup. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do and hit the bell button for my future software tutorial videos. I've created this video for people who are brand new to Sketchup and even for people who've tried Sketchup before. So by the end of this tutorial, I hope that you'll be able to create your first model in Sketchup. Hindi ako expert sa kahit anong software tutorial na ituro ko. Gusto ko lang i-share yung mga natutunan ko on my architectural studies. So, let's start! Okay, Sketchup is a 3D modeling computer program for a wide range of drawing applications such as architectural, interior design, landscape architecture, civil and mechanical engineering, film and even video game design. Yung Sketchup kasi is very user-friendly. So, karamihan ng mga architecture students is ito talaga ang ginagamit. When opening Sketchup, nga pala, I'm using Sketchup 2017. Unang-unang dapat gawin is to choose template. So dito makikita natin ang iba-ibang klaseng units like feet and inches, meters, millimeters. So since dito sa Pilipinas mas widely na ginagamit ang metric system, nasanay na ako ng meters ang ginagamit. So click meters and start using SketchUp. Pag na-open nyo na yung SketchUp nyo, the first thing that you'll notice is yung axis or yung pinaka-center point ng SketchUp. And of course, itong green na to is yung white plane. Every color in this 3D Cartesian plane has its various usage and we will discuss it later. So, meron tayo ditong blue axis and of course, meron din tayong green axis and this one is the red axis. For now, burahin muna natin si Kuyang model. Just click select, single click lang, then press delete. Okay? So, the first most important thing that we should check is if tama ba yung unit na napili natin sa templates. So to do that, click Windows, then Model Info, and here, you'll see if yung gamit mong unit sa SketchUp is tama ba o yung napili mo. Okay, so once na-check mo na, you can also set up your shortcut keys by clicking Windows again, then Preferences. Makikita nyo dito is yung Model Info and itong Preferences. So here, you can see various commands na pwede mo lagyan ng shortcut keys, yan. Various commands and tools yan. And dito sa taas, mo i-search kung ano man yung hinahanap mong shortcut. So, if wala ka pang shortcuts, ay i-export ko na lang tong shortcut keys ko para pwede nyo i-import. And you can grab a copy sa may info below and import it to your SketchUp program. So, okay. Moving on. Let's talk about views muna since ito yung nasa una ng toolbar ko. Okay, gagawa muna ako ng 3D rectangle para mapakita ko yung use ng views sa SketchUp. So here is the perspective view. Top, front, right, back, and then left view. So, ayan lang siya. Delete muna natin, then balik tayo sa basic commands. Okay. Let's try to use the pencil tool. Here you will notice na nag-i-snap siya sa center point ng axis and ayan yung origin ibig sabihin. Isa sa mga major mistakes na ginagawa ng mga beginners is they tend to hold the left mouse button pag nagtatry sila gumamit ng any command. So mali yan. Ang tama is single click lang, then single click ulit to finish the command. Okay, again, single click, then single click ulit, then escape to finish the command or spacebar. Okay, nagets nyo ba? Ulitin natin. Single click again, then escape or spacebar to finish the command. Okay, if meron naman tayong specific sukat na gusto, pwede rin yon using the measurement here sa baba. Then to do that, single click, then bago natin siya bitawan ng single click ulit, i-type natin kung ano yung measurement na gusto natin here, 3 meters, then press enter and escape. Yun lang. Sa line command kasi meron din tayo yung freehand, which is para ka nag-freehand sa drafting mo. Natry nyo na ba yung may line na kinapos ka tapos freehand mo na lang kasi tinatamad ka na? Parang ganun siya dito. Pero usually naman hindi siya nagagamit dito sa SketchUp dahil walang nagagamitan or meron din naman pero ayan. Undo muna natin siya which is Control Command Z. Next is set up muna natin yung style ng model natin. Okay. For now, pipiliin muna natin yung pinakamagaan na style, which is the shaded style. And pag-usapan na lang natin next time yung usage ng ibang styles. So here's the shaded style. Bakit nga ba natin need palitan yung interface style ng SketchUp? Minsan kasi sobrang bigat na ng model and itong style na to, ito yung nagpapagaan ng line sa model mo. Try muna natin gumawa ng rectangle using the line tool. So from the center, single click, then again single click ulit. Mananotice mo nag-i-snap siya which is parallel to the red axis. Rotate natin siya ng konti, then parallel naman sa green axis. Here, black. Then lastly is to connect the line sa unang line para makagawa tayo ng close shape. Kusang nadedetect ni SketchUp if nagkaroon ka ng lock points and automatically niya to in-enclose. Okay, nakagawa na tayo ng rectangle using the line tool. Next is the move tool. So to use this tool, just click Command M or itong 4-arrowed icon sa toolbar na nakikita natin. Once na single line lang yung sinelect mo to move, yung line na yun lang yung ma-adjust or mamumove. Di siya magagalaw as group dahil single line lang yung sineselect natin. If sinelect naman natin yung buong shape, multiple clicks lang. Okay, mamove natin siya ng buo. Ayan, nakikita naman natin. Then, explain din natin yung use ng group sa SketchUp sa next video natin dahil basics muna tayo. So, yung usage naman nitong axis is pwede mo siyang i-move upward. Yan. Then, pwede ring sideward. And here, we can also copy this one. The command for this is just click the Command M, or the move tool, then hold the control button, then single click the model that you want to copy. Then, ayan. Control, then ayan. Place muna natin siya dyan. So, try natin gumawa ng 3D shape by using line tool. So, to do that, enclose lang natin yung sides niya dahil automatic naman na-detect ni SketchUp yung mga na-enclose na points. Yan. Then, here. Diba? Kusa siyang nag-close dahil na-detect siya ni SketchUp na enclosures siya. So, here. And here. Okay, meron na tayong 3D rectangle. Next, try naman natin gamitin yung rectangle command. So, my shortcut key for this command is Alt Command R. Just like other command, single click lang. If mapapansin nyo, nakalatag siya sa surface parallel to the red axis. Then, single click again. Ayan. So, gusto natin meron siyang specific measurements yung side ng rectangle. Example, gusto natin is a 3x5 rectangle para sa ating gagawing room or basta kunwari lang example. So, okay, single click. Then, before natin siya i-enter, type in the measurement, 3, then comma, 5, tapos enter. Ayan. Meron na tayong 3x5 na rectangle. Gamit tong 3x5 rectangle na to, let's try using the push and pull tool. Ito yung command na ginagamit to make a 3D surface from a 2D shape. Isa siya sa pinakamadalas gamitin na tool dito sa SketchUp. So, itong illustration sa gilid, yung example ng push or pull tool. Okay, angat natin siya. Single click lang. Then, single click again to release it. Try natin gumawa ng copy ng box na to. So, select natin siya. Multiple click. Pwede rin by doing this. Ayan. Okay, using the move tool, don't forget holding the control. And here. Ayan. Diba? Yun lang. Move tool, then control. So again, ulitin natin siya. Move tool, then hold control. So, ayan. Ngayon naman, gusto natin pantay siya dito sa surface na to. Ayan, kasi hindi siya pantay, di ba? Hindi na natin siya need tansyahin. So, using the command pull, then, wait lang. So, using the command pull, single click, Then, tutok nyo siya sa surface na gusto mong pagpantayan. Single click again to release it. Ayan. Okay, pantay na siya ngayon. Before ko makalimutan, to rotate the SketchUp view, just hold the middle mouse button. And ganito ang mangyayari. Yan. Ito naman yung hand or pan na nasa toolbar natin. Yung shortcut key niya is Command H. Para magawa natin to, yan. The hand or pan is Command H. So, to zoom is the mouse wheel or yung nasa gitna ng mouse natin. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. Next is the scale tool. The shortcut for this tool is Command S. For example, gagawa ko ng opening ng bahay dito. Kunwari, opening lang to hindi naman scaled. So, in the middle, gawa tayo ng rectangle. Then, push natin siya para mabura. Ayan, okay? Gawa naman tayo ng door. Kunwari lang door to. Ayan, rectangle. Then, tayo natin siya. Tayo. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin siya ng thickness para magmukha naman siyang door kahit pa paano. Ayan. Move natin siya dito. And syempre, pag na-move na natin siya, as expected, hindi siya fit dun sa opening. Ayan. If we use the default scale tool, Command S, ayan, lalaki lang siya at liliit. But, if we hold shift, ayan, shift, may scale natin kahit ano, kahit anong size siya or irregularly. So, ito yung default tool, lumalaki lang siya and lumiliit. Ayan, again, default tool, ayan, lumalaki, lumiliit lang. Then, ito naman, yung naka-hold, yung shift button. Ayan. Hold shift, tapos ayan, pinpoint natin siya doon. And ayan, sakto na siya doon sa opening natin. That's the simple use of scale tool. Okay, balik tayo sa basic commands. Kasi medyo intermediate na yon. And ayan, default scale is to make it small, smaller, or bigger.